Oh my god.
By the people on 62 peaks, they are all tall. They are going much far.
Oh yeah.
Faster than me.
They're very impressive. They're older and they're fast. Fast, yes. Which is awesome. You know, I can only wish I can be like them when I get to their age. You know?
I went to the guy who had 71. 71.
71 years.
Yeah, it is.
Dennis is 75.
Come on, really? Oh wow. Oh wow, oh my god.
And Olga is 75. Look at her. She's doing so well. And then Sylvia is I think around 65 something. Yeah. Yes. After you get to a certain age, you have to keep yourself very active. Exactly. So I'm so happy that they're doing something. In most of the videos, your face is not there, so you can post it on your YouTube channel. How many followers do you have on your YouTube?
I
You don't?
I want to do it in this channel. I just started.
You can easily get more because you're female, so
I don't want to my face.
you don't have to. You need to put whatever else.
No, not
No, like this.
Oh,
Like
yeah,
this.
yeah.
You know, that's what I meant. So you just need to do like this, put that on the wallpaper. You get a lot of subscribers. Yes, you have to. That's what I don't do.
Facebook.
I do it on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Like you
But-
really have to enjoy it and
but-
really like it.
But all my content is men, right? My content, right? So who cares? Plus, I don't ask anybody to watch. or subscribe or anything. I just be like, I do it for my own memories. Maybe someday. One tweet?
One tree. Here.
Oh, look at that on the edge.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to walk the tree? This one? You want to?
Maybe sitting down, yes? Sitting down.
Sitting down, anybody will do it. You do it?
I don't want to do it. if it would have been like really imperative, yes.
So if you stand right next to this tree stem right here.
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah, no picture. I think
Okay.
I'm fine. Thank you so much.